What's up, everybody? Welcome to this brand new video. This video I'm going to show you guys some helpful tips on Android Studio. So just follow along with me. I just got my Android Studio open already. If you have not, just open yours. So go to help. You click on key map reference. So there you go. Let me expand the page, open it wide so you guys can see. You can see, remember this shortcut. So these are all the shortcut keys that you can master in order to increase your productivity while I'm using Android Studio. Navigation, go to class, control plus N. So editing, basic control, complexion. So these are just some of the few tips that you can use to increase your productivity, which is provided by Android Studio. So you have debugging, step over into F8/ you have a smart step into, step out, search and replace, refactoring. So yeah, this is just some of the cool tips I thought let me share with you guys. So these are you can go through or you can go through later. So it's just very simple. Let me just close it again. It's very simple. You go to help. Let me just do it again. So that is how you do it. So okay guys, thank you for watching. Love and share this video with your family and friends. If you are not subscribed, please do subscribe. Until then, see you.